We're at a discreet location.
I'm up here.
Yeah. Come, come.
Thank you.
Oh, now we gotta walk back.
We just call them the walkway.
Oh yeah.
Remember when we found an egg?
You don't get cut off.
I won't. Don't worry about me.
I
Oh,
should put my cross-
cold. Oh, freezing. Oh, so you know how you can hear like the ripples and stuff? It's like, that means there's a waterfall nearby.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I learned this in whitewater rafting in Washington. They were like, if you see mist at the end of the river and you can't see a thing, that means there's a waterfall.
Or what if you see like the river end and drop down?
Oh, then you know. Oh, it's Kalo. We can do a catch and cook. Oh, Ape. It's the fake Kalo. Oh, shoot. How?
So they have the pico, which is, you see the middle, like where the three things come out of?
Yeah.
So if the leaf goes all the way down and meets the middle, it's most likely ape. There's like
ape.
some special hollow that do that, but
Oh.
just assume. But they're like super rare. It's pretty much always ape. You eat it, it makes your mouth super itchy, like
Oh,
crazy.
shoot. Yeah, don't be fooled by this plant over here. Oh, it's a jabong.
What's that?
It's like a giant orange.
Oh.
But it's like, it's already open, so it's like gross. So just, yeah, they're dead though, don't get those ones. So this is actually natural concrete. Look at this. So this is all natural. Over time, you know, millions of years, water, continuous flow, makes like this smooth surface, right? And it's like, oh, don't mind that. That's completely natural. All those bricks in there. Like,
Is it?
no, it's not.
An asteroid came in.
It's the forbidden tunnel that
We went in there one time and it just went to like a bunch of turns.
Oh,
yeah, and we were gonna go in, but then we backed out.
Yeah, you gotta go in there.
yeah.
Like,
Exploring
something,
secret
yeah.
tunnel. And you gotta put. Okay. Oh, is this the spot where you can? Oh no, there's a rock. Can you jump over here?
There's over there.
Over there you can jump.
I have to like go in. And
Oh.
there's like a little rock.
Oh. We can't just jump from there to there?
Well, it's like right
There's a
in
big
the
rock
middle.
right there.
Yeah.
Right where the waterfall is from. There's a big spot.
Oh. Should we check it out?
Yeah. You gotta go that way.
I'll like go where it's deep and then I'll tell you when to jump. Okay. Wait, are you going there? Are you gonna go for a depth check? Oh, hold this. Hold my camera. Off right here. Up in here.
are you touching?
It's like right here. It's not that deep.
Yeah.
Fishing pole right here. Now, we got the bread in this bag. I'm gonna catch a monster real quick. Stay tuned. Secret to fishing is you gotta use the right bait. No, without the right bait, you're nothing. So this is my bait right here. If you can see. Oh, look at that giant bird. What the heck? What is that? You gotta throw it at an angle, right? You're gonna throw it at an angle. Slink. Boom. You start reeling it. You start reeling it in. Can you put it on here? As I was saying, you gotta throw it in. Once it hits the water, boom, you start reeling it up. And eventually a fish is gonna go and eat your bait. So let me show you how it's done. Key to fishing is patience. Go like this, reel it back. Oh, anything bites. Oh, I see something on it. Oh, I caught a piece of bread. I was doing a different type of fishing. It was sea fishing. This is river fishing. This one you just wait. Like Minecraft, you know, you gotta wait till this thing starts jerking up and down, and that's when you know you caught a fish. Excuse me. Yeah, safety number one. Ooh, that was a good reel.
Yeah, knock the bread right off.
No, the bread's still on. I see it.
As long as you don't let get like hot. Hey, you gotta make the line.
Oh, I got it.
He got it.
So we're gonna wait till the fish, you know, swims up the river, you know, calmly looking for a meal. It's gonna see my bait I left. It's gonna bite onto it, and I'm gonna reel it in, catch it, and we're gonna do a catch and cook.
The best thing to use as bait is what they naturally eat here. So the best thing to do would be catch like a little crawfish or something here, and use that. But you don't have that. So the next best option. Alright.
We wait.
I'm gonna talk to the locals real quick. You come here often?
Oh yeah.
You ever see fish over here? Where do you see the most fish?
Down there.
Where?
Down there.
Oh.
So we're kind of in the wrong spot.
Yo, this is what's gonna happen. The fish is gonna come down there. It's gonna sniff it, right? You do the breadcrumbs in the water. The tongue is gonna go down the stream. It's gonna be like, oh, that smells really good. It's gonna start swimming up. Use a big piece of tongue, right there. It's gonna fight. Once I see it fight, throw that up.
What's the biggest fish you've seen here? How big?
Catfish.
Oh,
That's huge.
this big.
Ew, I said catfish.
Oh,
No, there's some smallmouth bass here. They're like this big.
over there?
Like everywhere. Over here, there's a lot of catfish.
But there's not like one you remember being the biggest?
At the other stream at Manoa, the pud, there's one like this big.
Oh yeah. That was called fish.
Oh yeah, the catfish was like this big. But I saw this redfish with my friend like this big.
All right, so we moved down to the better spot.
We're moving downstream. We're gonna find some giant fish.
Hollow usually, it like meets up here,
Oh,
like that. But off it goes all the way down.
fake hollow. Don't eat this. Look at this pipe. Is that metal? I'm just gonna go up this. Woo.
Come on. Look at that.
What is it?
Spear. Bamboo.
Who is the best day?
Bananas.
Where?
It's in someone's yard.
I want bananas.
Oh, where'd the bread go?
Right there.
Oh, shit. Well, that one's dropping to the floor.
Yeah, I'm trying to like make it dense so it goes to the bottom. The fish eat it.
Oh, what is
Can
it?
we go steal some plants?
Oh, it's like a shovel or like a handle.
Look, ducks.
Oh, watch out.
Alright.
I'm good.
Okay, where's the cool place? Down there?
Yeah.
How cool is
Don't
it?
scare them. Just throw. Oh,
Throw it.
you got too close.
Swap out.
Oh, not that. Okay, looks like we're not feeding the ducks. Oh, what the?
Fish.
It's behind. It went behind this rock.
I know.
Look at this thing.
Did I catch it?
Did you?
Oh, almost fell. Yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh, will it attack me?
Yeah.
On guard.
The size of your head.
Yeah, but they
Wait,
get
feed
mad.
it.
Yeah, throw.
They bite.
Doesn't know what bread is yet.
It's like we're having some goose. Yo, where's the...
Before we go back, we should
Oh,
look at the
eat it, eat
other
it.
side of all the ducks and feed them.
Maybe it's blind. Oh, catch it. Destroyed road. Ooh, what's over here?
The gate is open.
There used to be like a little thing over here. It was kind of like a tent, but not really a tent. I don't know if it was a homeless guy's place. They took it down.
Okay, so what are we gonna eat?
Leaf stew.
Leaf stew?
I ate it before with them.
Does it taste good?
No, no.
Oh,
We tried it when Bella locked us out of the house. Like he wanted Kaitoa.
leaf stew. I don't think I want to eat that. Gotta get up.
I'm gonna do it like
Just don't fall on your head.
Oh my god.
What?
You can't quite fit me. Look out for the leaves.
Yeah.
Vines.
Let's see.
We've reached the end.
Shoot. It's a pigeon. Okay.
a fox, a fox. Retreat, retreat.
Yeah, let's go. Wow, I got impaled.
Would they run away?
Well, 5-hour trek back. I got cut up. Oh. Oh yeah, he got pooped on by a bird. Or duck, actually. I'm gonna clickbait everyone. I'm gonna take a picture on my phone, and it's gonna be like water level, so it's gonna look big, the waterfall. But it's actually tiny. No, this is a spot. Very calm, chill spot. Not many people know of it. Yeah, it's nice. We got the waterfall. Got, yeah. Ooh. Small little waterfall though. We're going back. Made it through. So we're approaching the end. We had to walk through a ton of rocks. I stubbed my toe like 10 times. We're almost there. The bridge is our entrance. Get there. It's very windy. This is a secret stream. Okay. We finally made it back to the starting point. Ow! My feet are in so much pain. Now I gotta look for the way back. I'm gonna check out the chickens and ducks now. Ooh! Look at all those chickens, ducks, geese. No, it's called geese.
I know, but that's like multiple.
It's geese.
But that's multiple goose.
Yeah, there's a bunch of geese.
But they're mostly chicken.
Yeah, but there's still geese there.
Chicken, duck, and goose.
They're geese. There's like 2 gooses.
I know mine.
2 gooses. Te gusta. Oh yeah, and this is the way back. We made this rope. Mem is demonstrating how to climb it.
Yeah, like a boss.
Right. That's the end of our hike, or our trek, you can call it. You know, subscribe for more. Out here. Look at this guy. He just made it back. All right.